This video will show you how to use TurboTax for self-employed taxes step by step. If you're self-employed, your income usually goes on a Schedule C, which is where you report what you made and your business expenses. Inside TurboTax, go to Wages and Income and look for the Self-Employment section. Enter your income first. This can come from 1,099 forms or just your own records. Next, add your expenses. This is where you can lower your taxes. Things like marketing, software, equipment, and even part of your home if you work from home can be deducted. TurboTax will guide you through everything and automatically calculate your self-employment tax, including Social Security and Medicare. Just review your info, make sure everything looks right, and file your return. Follow for more simple tutorials like this,